springtime here in Switzerland, and the theme of today with this model is definitely related to spring and willing to go somewhere for a vacation, maybe a short one, the bike, butterfly, the Easter egg. But I want also to practice more on characters, especially because we do love a lot to read the children books, and one of my favorite author is Mo Willems. We had the pleasure also to meet him in person at the Eric Carle Museum. I think 1 to 2 times, I don't remember, but yes, it was unbelievable. And of course, we love Piggie and Gerald. So I thought that maybe today Gerald is suggesting Piggie to learn how to ride a bicycle. And so I took from this book, Are You Ready to Play Outside, the inspiration to redraw this original page, that is page 10 of Are You Ready to Play Outside. I will put the link to the book because it is so much fun. So you wanted to see actually the original illustration from Mo Willems and the story because it's so cool. Did I say so already? Yes, it is. But anyway, the point is that with this exercise, I'm going just to show you that you can basically draw any character from your below books with the 3D pen to make it like small figures to play with your kids, and also to make also, let's say, other things. Let's see what. I don't want to anticipate it, but just wait till the end. My name is Madamon. I am an artist of multi-passion things, and one of these one is the 3D pen. So if you like this video and you want to support this adventure, please remember to like the video, comment it. I would like to see what you think about, and also to follow my account. In this way, soon we can also do some live, I suppose. So, but just let me know. And now, let's go ahead with our project. So I'm using today a 3D pen from Polaroid. It's one of my last 3D pen, and I love it. And also my students, the kids that I'm teaching 3D pen to, love it too. So it's definitely something that I would recommend, and I will put again the link to get it. And let's start. I wanted to start from Piggie. She's so happy to learn how to ride a bicycle. You might want to decrease the speed at the beginning and then increase it as you like. Remember to do not tangle too much your plastic filaments, and let's go. Here, this side with the ear of Piggie, that to really communicate her emotion, to be so happy and enthusiastic. Okay. So what is very important in general for a 3D pen project is that everything should be connected. But for this specific project, we wanted to give, in any case, this posture of Piggie. So we will pay attention on it, and we will draw it, even if they are not connected with the original piece. But it's important that you will not move your art piece until you're done. So, for example, this one is kind of messy. Okay, here we are. Then it's time to change the color, or change the pen if you are more pen with color. So to change the color with this specific pen, you will just push this button and the pen will work. In the meanwhile, you go for the color you want to do that part. So the color could be like really similar to the original, or of course you can have a totally different colors. I do have some pink and gray that I might want to use, so let's try to be like adherent to the original, but you don't have to. Like if you don't have pink, and this one is quite common with the 3D pen because it's not like a common color, don't worry, use any other color. And actually I guess even Piggy will be happy to experiment with different color. You will insert the new one. One suggestion when you insert a color in your 3D pen, in this case, the only thing that maybe is not so usable of this pen is that you have to keep pushing the button when the color is coming out. Otherwise, it will stop. One suggestion is like try to get a faster speed when you are inserting the color, because this one will help the pen to grip the color faster and to manage it. You can also support the color entering. What I love of this pen is that, as you can see, the color changes pretty fast. There is still some black, but the pink is here. And by the way, actually, one suggestion is that when you change the color, start with the mouth, because the mouth will be like a darker tone. So next time, instead of throwing away this part, you can just start from the mouth and then continue through there. Oh, one thing is that remember to slow down the speed once you're starting. Yes, so this one is the inside mouth. Maybe let's start also with the leg, because maybe the legs are a little bit dirty because Piggy is playing outside. So she's a pig, so she likes to play with mud. And then I will do also this part. And now we are ready for our nose. Oh, the nose is so cute. Be careful because the nose might be moving when you're doing it. And it's normal, you just have to pay a little bit of extra attention. And now, what about the body? Here we are. I think we are ready for the face, also because I don't want the mouth to move too much. I might want to hold it. But once you do this part and you connect the pink between the two black, everything will not move, so it's done. Okay. Now I will increase a little bit the speed. This part is easy to do, so you can actually put a super fast speed. Actually, I love so much this pink that I wanted to draw a cherry blossom theme. I might not want to add it maybe in this model directly. Yes, I like it. It's very cute. In this side, you see it like really in 3D, but in this one, you see it flat. And you see, Piggy is already super happy to go by bike. And actually, the size seems pretty well done for Piggy. Okay, so see you in the next project for Gerald.